Hey everyone, I am so excited to do this unboxing for you today. I've done a lot of unboxings over the years. Maybe none have excited me as much as this one. My friends at XTool know that I am just a little bit obsessed with crafting. I have a vinyl cutter, I have a printer, and they are always going in my office. So when they asked if I wanted the chance to check out their M1 Ultra, it was an instant yes. This is a 4-in-1 machine that combines a lot of different crafting disciplines. So I am super excited to open it up and show you what's included and then get crafting. This thing includes a laser cutter, a printer, it does gold or foil transfer, pen drawing, and it can literally take almost any surface and put your art on the surface. So everything from metal engraving to lasering designs on wood. There are a lot of possibilities. So with my friendly assistant, Landon, hi. We're gonna open this up and show you exactly what comes in the box if you decide to get one yourself. Let's dig in. All right, so I have switched spots with Landon and he's taken over the box control, and we are going to go ahead and open up this machine and show you exactly what comes inside. Ready? So the box is huge, first of all. Right on top, there are these two packages. One is a material pack, and in here, you'll find a really nice little assortment to get you started on different projects. There's some different color cardstock. There's a piece of wood, plywood. Actually, here, Landon, why don't you just open this up? And then while he's doing that, I will show you that the next thing you get is a user manual. We haven't opened that yet, so I don't know how thick it is. All right, thank you. That's perfect. So here is a look at what this little starter kit is going to come with. You're going to get some different adhesive paper, some sublimation paper, heat transfer vinyl, a 3 millimeter thick piece of plywood, and then finally some cardstock in an array of colors. That was a cool thing for them to include. All right, wow, look at this. Here is that user manual.
Pretty hefty.
Okay.
Has weight to it.
So let's show you how thick it is. Wow. Now I have a feeling it is in different languages. Yep, okay, so that's why it's so thick. That makes sense. So we've got full color, step-by-step tutorials in a whole array of languages. So that is pretty fantastic. I love the color pictures in here. That's really helpful. Shows you a good guide for walking through all those projects. All right, so I got the user manual. Go ahead, Landon. We lift off the foam. Dun, da, da. And there's our machine. Wow. It is quite the deal. Now, Landon, I feel like I'm going to have to help you.
Yeah, I think I can. Actually, no. All right, it comes off the side.
You know what? We're gonna hit pause on the video. We'll be right back. We're gonna get it out of the box. Okay, we lifted this beast out of its box. It obviously comes very carefully wrapped in plastic, but also tons of foam. There's even foam inside. That's styrofoam. And yeah, there's definitely lots of protective wrap on it. And it looks like it came in really good shape. So Landon, let's take this bag off. Slide it towards me. Oh, it's pretty. Okay. So wait, slide the machine back towards the middle of the table. There you go. And before we do anything, let's do, yep, you see there's tape. So there's tape closing the front. Is there tape on the side too?
Oh, yeah. Side and none of that.
Yeah, so let's take some of the tape off. Oh, these are easy pull. That's what they are.
That's actually really nice. Good job, XTool.
Good job, XTool. Okay, now we've got all of our tape off. Let's gently, no, leave that on for right now. Let's just gently lift this. Gently lift it. No, hold on. All right, you hold that up. Wow. Okay, so let's walk through what we're seeing here. Obviously, we have a power adapter. Very important. We also have nope, that's the whole thing. Power supply. Oh yeah, USB cable. The connects two different ways to your computer. You can connect it with a USB or with your Wi-Fi.
And Ethernet.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
It says it on there in
Okay.
creative space.
I have no idea what this is.
That looks like the main module.
Laser aperture. It's a laser aperture. That's what that is. So for your lasering, this is a printer. It does look like a print module, doesn't it?
Yeah, it has the little thing for the ink on the side, I'm pretty sure.
Carriage.
Oh, I think that might be the
Pen holder?
Oh yeah, yeah,
Might be a pen holder. Sorry, this is not the most advanced unboxing you're going to get. This is called like Devin and Landon open this and look at everything and go, ooh, what's that? Triangular prism holder. Isn't this for holding things in place when you're doing laser cutting?
Oh, it came with this?
Oh, cool.
I thought this was separate.
I didn't even know.
On the M1, this is separate.
Yeah, here's a note for anyone who's looking into getting a laser cutter or do any kind of laser processing. Apparently, they put out quite a bit of like smoke and just kind of like toxic. I don't know if it's toxic. I don't know.
It smells yummy though.
But probably things that aren't, you don't want to be breathing in like particles, things like that from the elements that you're cutting. So you always want to be able to have good ventilation for these machines. You want to be able to place them right near a window so you can vent them out. What's this? It's a little
toolkit.
I don't know.
Maybe. I'm trying to open this without flinging everything.
Yeah, we'll set it down if you need to.
There we go. Ooh, toolkit.
Wow, lots of little doodads and screwdriver. This looks just like on my vinyl cutter, so maybe like a pen holder or a blade holder.
That's actually pretty nice that it comes with this.
Yeah, I like that little case. It's a much better chance of staying in good shape. Let's look at, is this connected to this?
I'm pretty sure it's the main.
All right, so let's do this.
Yeah, come on, fingers.
It's a drawing pen.
There's a bunch in there. A bunch of different colors.
So then if we actually pull these out and we set them down. I like how everything is nicely contained in here. It feels very safe. Like it was able to stay in good shape. Ooh, we got some cutting mats. Very nice. Fabric grip. Light grip. Love that. So I'm used to using these for with my cutter, my vinyl cutter. Oh yeah, and so that's like the back of the...
This is the main module. This one always stays attached, and you can put your printer on it, your pen holder, and your laser cutter on it. And
so you switch everything on in and out of that.
So it's kind of like how a train works. It just slides the next.
Wow, that's really cool. So that makes sense, Landon. Here's all the different pieces that we just pulled out of that box. Here's the main unit with the fold down lid. I don't know, Landon. What do you think? I think we should try making a craft.
We should get this going.
All right, cool. So that's it. That's our tour of what you'll find in the box. Like I said, we are beyond excited to get this thing going. So thanks for watching.